Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to do tips and tricks for beginners in Dress to Impress. I hope you enjoy. Now I'm going to show you how to toggle items. You see this button right here that my mouse is on? That is the toggle button. And then you click these, and then you click the buttons to determine what you want it to be like. And to color it, when you get out of toggles, click palette, wheel, patterns, or this. So like if something is shiny and you don't want it to be shiny, make it like matte. So like for example, if the teddy bear was foil and I didn't want it to be foil, I wanted it to be cuter, I could make it like matte, for example. For palette, you just click any one of these you want. And for wheel, you like drag the heart around to see which color you want. So like, let's say I wanted a light purple. I would drag it like right here. I'm gonna put it back to normal. Okay, so that's how you would do it. And for this next tip, I am going to go into let's do a regular server. If you don't know what a theme is, click this button right here. And then it tells you what the theme is. So, that's how you do it. I'm going to really quick do an outfit. And that's like this theme. Tip 2. Oh, and also, you can't use stuff that you saved in the dressing room as in your outfit. You just can't do it. I don't know why you can't do it, probably so you cannot cheat in the game. I'm gonna hurry up real quick and also, when you're playing Just to Impress, try not to use the same face every round. Just try not to do that, because people will get bored of that. There's another tip. Number 2. Well, number whatever. This one right here is the poses. I'm not going to use any of these poses because it shows you this. These are pose packs you can only get with money. Money is this stuff. It isn't actual money. It's money in the game. And these are stars. And you can like vote people. Poses are this. I'll show you what the different poses look like while I'm on stage, while I'm on the runway, and also when I'm doing intermission. So yeah, this is what Cheeks, Sleek, Magica, Confident, Fairlight, Shimmer. Do not use Post 28, it's sus. Pelly is the one I did off stage, and it's okay if try to vote people fairly, because that's how the game was meant to be played. So it's nicer to vote people fairly. This is what Glow looks like. Daisy, Crystal. Oh my gosh, I got this inside as well. Velvet, Starry, Sparkle, Satin, Prism, Petal, Lilac, Jewel, Harmony, Dazzle. And this is what Blossom looks like. So, those are the things. Those are the poses. If you're wondering how to get money, you pick it up from around the map. Wait, let me find some money real quick so I can show you. I'll find some in the map. The theme is snow day, so I'm going to do an outfit for that while talking to you guys about like tips and stuff you can do. So, while you're making outfits, in order to get like voted fairly and stuff, always look at this. It'll give you an idea, and other people will like your outfits. They won't be like, I don't like it, and give you like 1 star. So that's a tip I'll give you. Right now I'm in the VIP room, which you can only get it with if you have Robux. And the stuff in the VIP room is cute, but I don't use it all the time. I'm mostly in the non-VIP section. If you're lagging, click this button. There's a music volume, a show name tag, a hide, show friends only, and show for the name tag, and the graphics. Low is if you're lagging a lot. Default is just normal, and high is if you want good quality. You can make it day or night. Just in case. I like it day. I am going to make a face now. Like if you don't have Robux or custom faces, you have to choose from like these faces. I am going to make a custom face just in case you do have custom makeup and you do not know how to use it. You click which eye you like. I know it sounds weird, but it's fine. Let's make it brown. You click this for the eyebrows, this for lips. Let's make this like a light pink. With this, you get like blush. I'm not gonna do that much, and this is where you get like the noses and eyeshadow and all that stuff. Like I'm gonna add these snowflakes to mine. I'm gonna do this nose instead. I'm gonna kind of make it red to look like my nose is red because I'm cold. And so that's how you do it. If you want to get out of the color palette, just click that X button. Never use the fur combo. Never ever ever use it. People will not like it. And this is money. You just walk through it to collect it. How to get your skin tone, you just click this and then click whichever skin tone you want. So like dark, light, whatever. And these are the dressing rooms. It has all the codes and stuff in it. This is how you vote people, like 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, 4 stars, or 5 stars. This is my outfit. Something you need to know is that you cannot vote your own outfit. All you can do is do poses. It's okay to wear like the fur hat and the fur boots together, but like the whole entire set, it does not look good, just so you know. If you click on this money signal, you can buy money with Robux, you can buy items with the money, you can buy poses, and you can buy this stuff. If you click on the stars, how many stars you need to be to the next level. Right now, I'm a fashion maven, but I am only 1,014 stars away from becoming a one-way queen. And like to check what place you got, you just scroll down this. Like I got last place, but that's fine. It doesn't matter what place you get. If you see a gold version of the money lying around, if you see a gold version of this lying around, always pick it up because it gives you a lot. Instead of giving you 1, 2, or 3 monies, it can give you like a month money ranging from 18 to 25. That's a lot. That's it for today's video. I hope you liked it. And see you next time. Like and subscribe to Angela and Unicorns. Bye!